Hi, my name is Ben Schoenig. I'm a Senior Technical Services Engineer here at Park Systems, and I'm here to demonstrate the Park FX40 Atomic Force Microscope. The Park FX40 incorporates automated features, artificial intelligence, and robotics technology combined with accuracy, high performance, low noise levels, and the industry's most user-friendly interface. I will now demonstrate the main automated features of Park FX40, including automatic tip alignment, automatic probe exchange, as well as automatic tip identification. The Park FX40 is separated into three main components. The upper assembly is the optics assembly. Inside are contained two cameras, one for the sample, where up to 4 samples can be mounted onto the sample stage. Then the ATX, where up to 8 cantilevers can be mounted and exchanged at any time. And then the 10x optics stage, which is used for focusing on the sample, as well as the cantilever and does automatic tip alignment. The second component of the FX40 is the AFM head, arguably the most important component, as it controls the motion of the cantilever, is responsible for the low noise levels and the high accuracy of the measurements. The third and final component of the FX40 is the lower portion of the microscope, which contains the XY scanner with 4 sample mounts. The sample mounts are kinematic, meaning that you can take your sample off, put it back on, and it'll be in the same position every time. The other side of the lower stage contains the ATX, or automatic tip exchanger, where up to 8 probes can be mounted and can be exchanged at any time. Previously, we used to mount 1 cantilever at a time to the probe hand. Now we can mount up to 8 individual unique probes to the automatic tip exchanger with the cassette. Once the probes are mounted into the cassette and then loaded onto the ATX, everything else is controlled through software. We will now control the rest of the demonstration with Park SmartScan software.